Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Harmonium, Mere Rashke Qamar. First, ensure you are seated comfortably with the harmonium at a suitable height, typically around your waist. Maintain good posture to allow for easy movement. Practice pumping the bellows smoothly and consistently with your dominant hand to produce a steady sound. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the keyboard layout and the 7 fundamental notes. Now, let's delve into the specific notes for Mere Rashke Qamar. This beautiful composition is commonly played in the C-sharp major scale. You'll need to identify the notes C-sharp, D-sharp, F, F-sharp, G-sharp, A-sharp, and the higher C. Spend some time practicing these 7 notes, playing them both ascending and descending to develop a strong sense of their placement and sound. With the scale understood, we can now begin playing the melody. Start by focusing on the main melodic phrase, ensuring precise finger placement for each note. It's crucial to practice each section very slowly at first, gradually increasing your speed as your comfort grows. Remember to pay close attention to the rhythm and timing. These elements are vital for capturing the true essence and emotion of Mere Rashke Qamar. Consistent practice is key to mastering Mere Rashke Qamar. Aim for at least 20 to 30 minutes of daily practice to build strong muscle memory and improve your dexterity. Regularly listen to the original song. This will help you internalize its subtle nuances and emotional depth. As you progress, feel free to experiment with various embellishments and vocalizations to truly make the rendition your own and enhance your overall performance.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.